So we have a court hearing April 6th.
Yeah, I'm glad you didn't put the DR.
Yeah.
A court hearing?
Yeah, so April 6th will be the court hearing.
Yeah.
So she'll have her legal representatives representing her.
Oh, really?
She's had a court hearing adjourned on her end. She adjourned it. They pushed it. And so the next one is April 6th to the public. So you can actually go to the website, find the information out how to join in on call.
Yeah.
You can actually call the number and it brings you to the court hearing. April 6th, we'll have thousands of people showing up.
Dude, I want to sue Bonnie too.
Yeah. So it's going to be, it's actually encompassing the Constitution.
Yeah.
So we're not just going to sue her for no reason. It's actually a breach of Constitution, our constitutional rights.
And no one voted for her.
Yeah, and that too as well.
Exactly, man. Okay, man, thanks.
Yeah,
What's your name?
Dave.
Dave, I'm Dwight, man.
Dwight, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, take care.
Let's do it.
Oh, Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love in all our sons command. Sing it! With glowing hearts we see thee rise, but true north, strong and free. From far and wide, oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. God keep our land glorious and free. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. You want it when you want it. We will never accept this tyrannical government telling us how we have to live our lives, what we have to put in our bodies and our bloodstreams. It's not going to happen, Justin, so get used to it. Wake up, pal.
Welcome to Canada!
Wow, there are a lot of people here. I'm gonna need a new horn after that.